Hello everyone, I am Amay Mittal. I am a DAM mentor in the Mechanical Engineering Department. I was also a DAM mentor last year, that is 2019-20. And today I'll be talking about how you can mentor branches mentees and what kind of problems you face when you're mentoring them. So last year when I was a mentor, I had two branch change mentees. One person had changed his branch from chemistry, and one person had changed his branch from MEMS, right? So I have had an experience of mentoring branch change mentees. Now I'll tell you all some of the problems that they face. So firstly, they face some problems adjusting to the new department, to the people around, and to the professors, and also to admin, etc., and how things are done in the department itself. Right. So they face some kind of adjustment issues when they are transferring to the new department, right? Secondly, the problem that they face is that they have some apprehensions regarding the new department. So they might feel, that the people are more competitive, or they might have other apprehensions as well, so the opportunities might be lesser or more, or something like that. So predefined notions that you might want to clarify as a mentor, right? And the third problems they might face is they might have had a very good a CPI and an academic performance in the first year. Now when they come to the second year, they realize that the new department is generally more competitive, and the people around, if they are more competitive, and if the student like lacks interest, then their CPI or their department rank, etc., might fall, right? And this might also create a bad situation for them. So you need to be aware as a mentor that they will also be right, they'll also be wary of that. So some of the solutions that I try to implement during my time as a mentor. So firstly, I try to encourage the bonding between the branches mentee as well as the other mentees in the wing, right? Another thing I try to do is that you need to help them with respect to the core courses, with respect to how the department functions, what kind of minors go with the department, what kind of opportunities are there in the department. The mentees might want to know all these questions, right? In my case, I had to also help them with addition to the department mailing list, which you all also might have to do, and also make sure that they were comfortable. And for this I also had some one-on-one discussions with them. I would love if some other people who have mentored branches mentees or are currently mentoring branches mentees during COVID